Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this stunning video animation in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. But first, wait until the end of the video, so it's ended. Just already open another Canva, go into the videos, just open a blank video Canva. So as you can see, it's a absolute blank Canva page. So I just duplicated this white page already and searching for a video. Now this video was just a video from London. And the first thing what we need a picture from this video, and the easiest way to get it, I'm going to the share, download, changing the MP4 to PNG, and downloading the second page only, download. Then we have to upload this picture. I already did it, so I just have to add to the first page, increasing the size, and then going to the third page. Here I need to create this this frame. The easiest way to do it, going to the elements, adding a square, changing the color to black. I'm going to the text and add a heading, just type London, selecting the whole text. And on the original video I made a small mistake. I used a font type called London, which are very fancy and good looking font, but this part of the N is very tiny. And if I'm going back to this video, yeah, you can see here the background remover doesn't made a perfect job due to that was very tiny portions. So I just choosing another leak Spartan, increasing the size, and also realize much better if I leave some space around, so I can play more with the text when I need it. So I just need to download this also. This is now the third page. So page number 3, I just downloading it, going to the uploads and uploading this. As you can see now, here the text is smaller than here, and there is a good reason. In this case I have more space in both sides, then the whole project feel looks better in the end. So just jumping back to the last page, just removing the square and also the text, and jumping to the first page, adding this text, removing the background. And here you can see all the parts of the letters are done perfectly. So I just have to zoom in out, due to I would like to have only the first 2 letters in a page. Now it's almost done. Maybe this is also not yeah, we have to find a perfect text and perfect alignment also when we create in the mask. That's also not that easy. I'm going to the third page again, due to I would like to create the text now, the other text portion, and again adding a square, Now the yeah, so the color is not important, but now the text, I already made the text in the Cloud AI. So I just have to add the text to here, increasing the size a bit, adding a text. The text box I just made not to fit the whole frame. I just leave some small space. And also when I'm moving to the top, I need some empty space in the top of the frame. You will see soon why is it needed. Just changing the text color to white and increasing the font size. And also now here we can change the font type. Now I'm changing the London. That was good. Now we can have to make it a bit smaller. Yeah, okay, now it's good. And now the most important thing. So I will click on the square and go into the transparency and reduce the transparency to 0. So now I just have to select the two items, the square and the text, group it, and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and just moving down. I'm just holding the Shift key. In this case, the text is moving straight. And also Ctrl V, as if it also this page, but now I just leave it in the center. And as you can see, that was the reason why was the text was important, but it might doesn't. No, I doesn't have it now. Why? So I just moving down again. Yes. Now it's here. Okay, so that was the reason why I left some empty space in the top. In this case, I can move outside of the Canva, but this portion, which is still part of the text, actually, I mean part of the element, is still visible on the Canva, but actually this is a not visible part, but still we can move. This is important for the final animation. When I would like to use the match and move, then in this case the two items, the two elements are the same, then the match and move element can be done by the Canva. So now I just duplicate the page and holding the Shift. So I just moving the text to ND. I just duplicate the page again, holding the Shift. Nope, selecting, holding the Shift. Now it's good. And also duplicate the page again. Now just zooming out a bit, due to I would like to have it smaller. Just zooming in. Yeah, that was important. Why would that we have some empty space on it, also around the text, due to in this case when I use the other one, I have to play a bit, and then actually the whole text was somewhere on the edge, or some portion was already outside of the frame due to I cannot zoom enough. And just of course always lessons learned, so I just learned from this. If I doing like this way, the result is much better, so I leave the small space around the text. So now it's almost done, so I just moving to the hovering the mouse between the two first pages, or between any pages, and just add the transition, searching for the match and move and adding like 1.5 seconds, and apply between our pages. Now it's almost good, but I think these video portions are too long, so this 4.2, this has to be only 2 seconds, and doing the same all 4 pages. I know I can, if I click on this, apply to all pages, that will be done for all the pages. Where's here? Okay, so I can even delete this last page. But in this case, this will be also reused, and I don't want to play with it, just would like to leave it like this, then I don't have to increase again. So now we can check what we done. So this text is moving. I forgot something. I have a feeling I need to copy this text to here, plus I need to moving up like this. Sorry, this one I forgot. Or this is maybe can be moved a bit further. I have to check. And I think I forgot to do something. Yes, reduce this transparency to 70. Here also. So this I was forgot to do, to reduce the transparency to 70. Here also to 70. And here just reducing the transparency to 70 already. No, I forgot here. Also, so this one is 70. This page I would have to reduce the transparency to like to 50. And here I have to do it again. Transparency, I just remove it to 0. Now I can see what we done. So this one is, okay, this letter O still not perfect. Okay, it's better, and now it's good. And as you can see, that's really cool feature when I just made a picture from the video. Then when I made transitions, the video starts. It looks like the video was paused in the background. Even was not due to actually first 4 pages. I have only the picture, and when we made a picture, we just saving as the video as a PNG. The Canva always downloading just from the first second of the video. It looks really nice. Then I just I can open when I made this kind of transition. That looks pretty cool. How is it work? So it's here I just play with the frame. Yeah, this one what I would like to here was here. No, it was here. Yeah, here was a bit dodgy part due to in both sides the frame was not perfect. I think this one can be also 1.5 only. Makes it more yeah. We can play with timings and also with the length of the different parts due to make more smooth transition. That's a pretty cool. And also this part I like it when I made a video from the picture. That's also like amazing. I like this transition parts. So we can see the final outcome again. I really love this this animation and also these techniques. So hope so you also like it and enjoyed it. And if you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment This is also really helps to improve my channel. And also if you have any question about Canva or any AI stuff, I try to answer it as soon as possible. So that's a win-win situation. So thanks for watching. Hope you really like it and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.